How's it going, everyone? So I've gone and bought myself the new GoPro Hero 10 camera and a few other little bits and pieces to go with it. This is not a sponsored video. I've gone and bought this all with my own money. We recently hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, and I want to thank everyone that has subscribed and watched my videos, liked and comment. It means a lot. So I thought it was about time that I improved the quality of my videos. After watching loads of stuff online, the Hero 10 just looked like a phenomenal bit of kit, so I thought that's the one to go for, and for the price tag it seemed pretty good to me. So gonna unbox the Hero 10. I've got the travel kit, the gooseneck, and I think I've got a couple of other things coming in the post. But depending on what bundle you buy, it might be a bit different as to what's inside here. So I'm gonna get some of these out the way. First things first, the box looks pretty cool. So if I show you all the sides, you can pause the video and have a little read if you want. So there's the front, there's the side. So obviously I assume that's what comes in it. There's the back, and then obviously the other side. So if you want to pause that and have a little look, then feel free. So it also came with a memory card, 32 gig. So just having a look at the, so it's a hard case, well, pretty hard case anyway. So there's the inside, nicely packaged. Got some information there as to what to do. So you got the charging lead. So USB A to C. Comes with a battery. Spec on the side. And the back, if it focuses. And the spec on that side. So it comes with one of the mounting clips and thumb screw. And it comes with a curved base. So then we've got the Hero 10 camera. Just put that down there. And then that's that. So I'll probably keep this in here for now, just to keep everything from rattling around. So if we have a quick look at the camera itself. Little tab, quite a strong little tab on there. There we go. So we got a couple little screen protectors. The new lens has got a coating on it so it repels water a lot better. I think it's called hydrophobic coating. So apparently that's much better at repelling the water, but you can buy these bits separate, I think. The front screen, the refresh rate I believe has been improved, so that's now much better for seeing what's going on. And on the rear screen, the touch screen is meant to have been improved from the Hero 9 to the Hero 10. So you got, obviously the Hero 10's got the blue writing on. It looks pretty cool. Got the little toggle feet to attach to your attachments. And yeah, it's a pretty cool little looking camera. So that's what comes in the standard Hero 10 box. Let's peel these off. There you go. That's what it looks like out the box. So that's what comes in this Hero 10 kit. So that's it really. I'll unbox these other bits on another video, so go ahead and check that out after this. And thanks for watching. If this has helped in any way, then like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.